Hello and welcome to this Boxer video. Today we'll be showing how the BOXERgeom software can be used to model sand erosion on components. Here I have an example of a choke valve. Choke valves are used to regulate the pressure and flow rate in fluid systems. Particularly in the oil and gas industry, this can be susceptible to sand erosion. BOXERgeom's unique tool enables you to model erosion on the component. This capability can be used to create digital twin, predict the in-service performance of the component, predict component lifespan. It can also be used for component design or to determine the optimal operating conditions. Now the first step is to use BOXER's meshing capability to mesh the designed component or newly manufactured part for flow analysis. The mesh was exported to ANSYS Fluent to obtain the discrete particulate model McLaury erosion rate. The erosion rate data can then be applied on the geometry using BOXERgeom to model the material erosion, and that's what I'm going to do now. Here, I've imported the geometry of the choke valve from a CAD file. First, I'll define the bounding box enclosing the area where I wish to model erosion. The length scale sets the background length of the octree cell. This determines the accuracy at which the geometry will be captured, but the octree cell can be subdivided to better capture the areas of higher interest. Next, I will place the region point. I simply place this in the fluid region within the bounding box so that the surfaces in contact with the fluid are captured. I use face and edge refinement to capture the choke valve geometry more accurately by subdividing the octree cell. Next, I click Insert, Level Set Editing, Physics. I drag in the geometry I wish to erode and import the erosion rate data. The magnitude value can be set to control the scale of geometry deformation. You can reverse the direction of deformation by setting a negative value here. I uncheck the Regenerate Octree after operation and click OK. And that's the setup complete. Click Generate Level Set on the toolbar at the top. Once that's done, right-click Physics and select Only to only view the deformation. Double-click to access the editor. Now you can see the display slider. Move this display slider to observe the change in geometry. The eroded geometry can be used for analysis, and you can obtain the erosion rate data for this new geometry and repeat the cycle. If you wish to generate mesh for the geometry at any slider value, check the Regenerate Octree after the operation and press OK. If you wish to export the geometry, you can click on the Export to Patch button. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or if you think BOXERgeom could be useful for your work, please get in contact.